Today's project, Jedi training. We're going to split the students up into 10 different groups. Over on the red line of cones will be our dark side, and then over on the other side with the blue cones will be our Jedis. So there's a lightsaber in the middle of the floor. When the music starts, the first two people from each cone will go to meet in the middle. They will play a game of rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins that battle will be able to collect the lightsaber to bring back to their side, which will give them 1 point. Then the next two people will go to meet in the middle. Whoever wins that match will be able to take the lightsaber back to their side and collect a point. We're trying to see which side can collect the most points today.